Sisebenzisa lo mzekelo sawenza ngokubonisa uba ungazi-approacha njani questions ezi-common kwi-Euclidean geometry, okay? To apply the diagram, W is a point on the circle with center O, and then OV is a point on WO. To the chord MN is drawn such that MV equals to VN. The tangent at W meets OM produced at T and ON produced at S. Okay, now masiko question yethu yokuqala. Okay, question yethu yokuqala kuthiwa apha give a reason why OV perpendicular to MN. So into yokuqala apha before uye ku questions zakho kwesa statement masikhumbule into yoba besixelelwe into yoba O is center. Okay, so besixelelwe about O is center. The minute unikwe into yoba une-center, into yokuqala funeka uyenza funeka ucinge nge-theorem zakho ezithetha nge-center. I-theorem yethu yokuqala ethetha nge-center ithini? Ithe when a line drawn from the, or if a line drawn from the center bisects a chord, that line is perpendicular to a chord. So sibona loo nto leyo kule situation sine line OW drawn from the center O bisect a line MN. So if you bisect a line MN, it is perpendicular to MN. So it is near to itini. It is because OW bisects OMN. OW is a line drawn from the center, it bisects OMN. Therefore, yenza nolondo yenza ba OV abe perpendicular to bani to OMN. I theorem yethu yokuqala sazinjalo ba masebenzisa theorem because iclear to be sinikiwe pha ba O is center. So the minute niko ba O is center, I need to be thinking I theorem is dibene ne center leyo. Okay, question yethu yesibini apha Thomas prove into yoba MN parallel to TS. Thomas prove about MN parallel to S. Okay, so Z3 indlela no prove ngazo ba lines is parallel. Ndiyokuqala ungaprove about their alternate angles. So if I can show ba zikhona alternate angles apha, or ndibonakalisa ba kukho interior angles, interior angles most the angles is between the lines is parallel. Funa close at 180 degrees. Or if I can prove that upper sinazo corresponding angles, tintathe enye pen. If I can prove basne corresponding angles upper, corresponding angles, then you'll tell the parallel lines. Okay, masikhola selba besigqoka ukuthi apha OV perpendicular to MN. So la angle OVN equals to 90 degrees. Okay, so londo leyo bese siyistate reason yayo phi ngapha apha kule question idluleke. And also must notice ba OW radius TS indoni tangent. Okay, so OW perpendicular to TS. OW perpendicular to TS. It resonate because a radius is perpendicular to a tangent. Okay, therefore OVN 90 no OWS ngubani 90. So no OWS la angle equals to 90 degrees. So ilingana nabani no OVN. Okay, so OVN equals to ubani OWS. Okay, OVN equals to OWS. So sabona basina le angle ilingana na le ngapha. So zinto zi corresponding angles as. Okay, 10 the corresponding angles as. So MN or parallel to ubani to TS, because nandon sina corresponding angles as a base of angles there's angles there too. Okay, question yethu start to upper ithi prove that TMNS is a cyclic quad. Okay, so question yethu start Z3 indlela zo prove by structure sakho is a cyclic quad. Okay, yokuqala ku prove about the opposite angles close to distances of 180 degrees. Okay, so yesibini ku prove into yoba if there's exterior angle apha ilingana with the opposite interior angle. Okay, esithathu indlela ku prove into yoba if in a chord is subtended la angle part the circumference, and then is subtended any angle part if lay angle lingana naleni, then as a structure is a cyclic quad. Okay, masibona bazeziphi situations situation kwezi zi3 esinoyibonakalisa apha, so to prove that TMS in cyclic quad. Okay, so so TMNS. Okay, masijonge into yoba sino OM apho OM ulingana nabani no ON the radius zezazithu. Okay, therefore lento yenza into yoba ibe into ibe isosceles triangle then OMN M1 ulingana nabani no ON. So N M1 olingana nabani no n1. Okay, thina i-resonate ila reason pha ngaphezulu sine radius zethu eziyi-2 om no-on ziyalingana. Okay, fine. And then masiqwalasele into yoba apha because besithe u-mn o-parallel to ts la angle n1 ulingana na angle u-ost, that is la angle pha ezantsi. Okay, so u-n1 ulingana nabani ulingana no-ost now ost le angle lapho. Okay, fine. So ithini i-reason yethu? It is because u-mn parallel to ts, mn parallel to ts. Okay, or which is the corresponding angles, is the corresponding angles is here. Okay, so n of those reasons. Okay, fine. Therefore n1 ulingana no m1, n1 again ulingana no ost, therefore m1 ulingana no ost. So m1 ulingana no ost, which is the angle. So this is le reason there. So the exterior angle up ulingana with the opposite interior angle, and therefore TMNS is a cyclic quad. Tini resonator, the exterior angle M1 equals the opposite interior angle OST. Okay, and then see proof la question last shot.